Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Skool.com and welcome to the homepage. So here it's what is Skool.com? It's mostly about courses and communities and these things so you can learn new info and new things about the specific career or specific topic that you want to learn about. So first of all, you're going to click sign up or log in. We're going to sign up together to that now. You'll enter your first name, then enter your email, then enter your desired password. It will send you a verification code to your email. So you're going to complete your profile, upload a picture or use your Facebook profile picture and add your bio. So hello for our bio and use a picture. Yeah, after we put a picture and added our bio, click complete. And welcome with having an account with Skool.com. So let's go first about our settings or the user menu. You'll have here your email, top right, sorry. You'll have profile settings, help center, create a community, discover communities, and log out. We're going to talk about today create a community, discover communities, and profile and settings. Now we're on the Discover Communities page. You'll find all the communities that people like talking about and like seeing about. Okay, so for example, we can search about any community we like, maybe like programming and Python. Click enter. Here we have this community called Programmer Academy. It will open up in another tab. It will show you the latest messages from the admin or from the members, depends on the group. So this group is a public group, not private group. So maybe if you have a small business or so, you want to create a private group for you and your members in the business. So here you will have general discussion, for example, depends on the admin of the group. He will create different tabs, but this admin created a general discussion, announcements, code exchange, tech discussion, and so on. So more. You can also join for $10 a month this community. So some communities may be for free, and some communities may be for money. Yeah. So you will have the classroom. So course 1, course 2, course 3, for example, course 4. So code newcomer, tech explorer, junior developer, and Flutter. Okay, so these 4 will be opened when you enter level 2, 4, 3, and so on. Here the calendar, you will have the calendar if you have meetings with this community and so on. Members, it will show you all the members that are in the community. You'll have admins and you'll have the online leaderboards. So if there are different people, a lot of people in the community, and there are courses and so on, it will show you how many people have finished the courses. So leaderboard 7 days, 30 days, all time. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. About will show you all info about this academy. It will show you its picture and its description and so on. It will give you it's a public group or a private group for members, how much does it cost, who's the admin, who is the creator of this community. Okay, let's close this. So this was a this was a paid community. Let's search for free communities, for example, communities, and click enter. So we have all of these as free communities. Let's click, for example, on this one. We have Mujmanjams free. Okay, you'll have here the description, so all ages and levels can truly win these resources and so on. It has 12k, around 12k members. It's free, and this is the admin of it and the private group. It's a private group, okay, so you'll have to join and to get accepted. Here are videos or pictures that are about this group, okay, and so on. So for example, you click here on join group. It will tell you membership pending. So if the admins who are all reviewing your request, you'll get an email when you're approved. So It sends a request about you wanting to join the community to the admins so they can accept you or not. That's when it's a free paid, it's not paid community, but it's a private group and not a public one. Let's search for a public one. So here we get free communities. Okay, let's try to search for a public one. Private, wow, almost, oh, here is a public one and it's free. Yep. So Max Business School, a community for anyone to learn practical skills to pursuit freedom for free. So you'll have here the pinned messages, so maybe from the admin or so on. Only admins can pin messages, and here are messages from regular people who are asking something about this community or talking about the topic itself of the community. You can join here the group, so join group. Wait for it to load. And it will get you membership pending. So Axe Business School's admins are reviewing your request and you'll get, so this is the membership and not joining it. Okay, so got it, and you can cancel your membership if you don't want to enter, and here you'll have the leaderboard 30 days. So I can see the general discussion, people talking about that topic, digital marketing and business, and assistant needs, new, hello guys, and so on. Graduates, so people who graduated from this, especially this community, and got their certificates, as you see here. Monday motivation, set your goals for the week 11/3/2024, and so on. And that's it. So maybe they're in classroom, they have this classroom, you can open here, open, and it will show you the course itself. So video 1, video 2, video 3, or article 1, article 2, article 3, article 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 20, and module 2, building your website, module 2, CEO, web analytics, email marketing, search engine, okay, and so on until you reach for the graduation. How to graduate and get certificates, this depends from a community to a community. This community has certain guidelines. So enter calendar here. If there are meetings for this community, you'll find here a meeting or a specific event. Members, as we've said, leaderboards, so level 1 till level 9, and about. So it's public, it's 121k people, and it's free, and it's by this person called Scott Max. So that's almost it, but we can, here are the chats between you and admins or here, and between you and other members of a community that you are in. Here are the notifications, so all groups or so on, or even a community. Here, let's see our profile or settings. You've got that you can change your name, last name, you have a certain URL, bio, location, Myers-Briggs, and so on. You can also link your social links and so on. Accounts, enter your email, time zone, sessions, you can log out everywhere. Your password, old password if you want to change it or so on. Notifications, so here are group notifications that we want to see. So movements member free, and this Max Business School that we're talking about because we need to see if we're getting accepted or not. The chat, it's notifications and so on, communities, so on also. 40% of recurring revenue for life, that's the refers link. Payment methods, to add a card if you want to pay to enter a certain community, payment history, and the theme of your the website itself. So let's choose, for example, dark, and welcome to the dark theme. Let's see our profile. It will show you here all the activity for your yeah, when you're working with Skool.com or communities, it will show your activity. So the more light greener it is, the more activity you've been doing. These are the contributions, so movements, measurements free, community, or the Max Business School. That's the only two that we've worked for. Here you have edit profile, and it will get you back to the profile thing. And yep, that's almost it for today. And thank you for today. Please, if you like the video, put a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.